What's good, YouTube? Y'all know what it is, man. This your boy Tank be chopping, and we back with another video. And this video, we actually gonna be doing an unboxing, the TPOB Troll J Blends edition. I actually already did this unboxing, but I accidentally deleted the footage off my camera. So I'm redoing an unboxing. I put it back in the box for y'all. That way y'all can actually see me unbox this clipper. And you know how your boy does it. I got a couple clips of me using the clipper, and I'm gonna talk about what I like and what I dislike about this clipper. But before we actually get into this video, if you aren't subscribed to the channel, please do your boy a favor and subscribe one time for the one time. Drop a like, leave a comment down in the comment section, all that good stuff, know what I'm saying? But with that being said, let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright guys, so check it out. Once again, here is the TPOB Troll. Let me move back a little bit. But as y'all can see, here is the TPOB Troll, the J Blends edition, as y'all can see. So as y'all may know, J Blends is a good friend of mine, and I just want to say congratulations on your clipper, big dog. Make sure y'all following him on Instagram. If you aren't watching his YouTube channels, my boy Jay be dropping gems on YouTube also, so make sure to go subscribe to his channel as well. But nonetheless, Jay, I just want to say congratulations, bro. I'm proud of you. You've been putting in work, and I see that you've been rocking with TPOB for a minute, and you got yourself your own clipper. So, you know, we had to do an unboxing, we had to do a review, all that good stuff, and that's basically what we doing, man. So let's check out the box first. As y'all can see, we got the TPOB Troll box, the J Blends edition. We got the branding up here, the actual clipper right here. This box is black and gray, as y'all can see, obviously, right? But the original TPOB Troll box, the one that I have, was black and green. So this one is different. It's a black and gray version of the same clipper. As you can see, we got the Troll on the side, Troll on this side, TPOB on top, TPOB on the bottom. We got 240 minutes of runtime, super torque motor, DLC fade blade. Let's go ahead and see what's on the back. High performance and high torque digital motor, 6,800 RPMs, 45 millimeter graphite fade blade, zero gap adjustable, 5D10 all metal taper arm, 8 comb guards, so obviously it comes with 8 guards, cuts easily through hair with just one single slide. Simple size body at 17.2 centimeters length and lightweight at 320 grams. DLC fade blade offers sharpest cut yet and stays cooler and rust free longer. Ergonomic design to have balanced weight and comfortable use while still offering low noise level and superior performance. The PissedOffBarber.com, you know, we got his website and his Instagram. So here it is, man, the TPOB Troll J Blends edition. Let's go ahead and open this up. So as y'all can see, opening the box, we got some drawings on there. If y'all follow TPOB, y'all know that he be drawing this stuff and posting it on his pages. So we got that on this side of the box, and on this side of the box, and on the inside edges. I don't know if y'all can really see that due to the lighting, but it's right here also. But here is the clipper, guys. Once again, let's go ahead and take this out. So here is the TPOB Troll J Blends edition. Once again, shout out to my boy Jay, man. He been killing the game, and I want to say it once again, bro. I'm proud of you, bro. Keep doing you, man. I'm here for it. We supporting you over here on this channel. But check it out, man. We got the TPOB Troll J Blends edition. It does come with the J Blends signature on the blade. We do have the click lever. You know, your boy is a fan of click levers. Basically, all in all, guys, it's the same clipper as the original TPOB Troll, just the J Blends edition. So once again, guys, just for reference, this is obviously the J Blends edition of the TPOB Troll. Here is the original version. But all in all, guys, it's basically the same as far as body and interior. It's just a different edition, a special J Blends edition, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on for y'all so y'all can hear how the motor sounds. So as y'all can hear, the motor does have a nice hum to it. I like the way the motor sounds in this clipper. Let's go ahead and turn that off. And like I said earlier, we got the click lever on there. We got a charging port down here. Got the grooves back here. In case you aren't familiar with the original version, we do got grooves back here. In my video of the original version, I did say how I didn't really like it because it was a little bulky, but I think that I kind of got used to it while using this clipper, because now I don't feel that it's bulky at all, you know what I'm saying? And I think that is just preference and what we're used to. At the time, I was used to using a thinner, smaller clipper, so when I started using this one, it felt bulky, but now that I've been putting this one to work, it feels good in the hand, you know what I'm saying? So if we look in the box, we do see that the clipper did come with a charger. You know, it's got the USB on one side and the actual charging port. This is the charging port, as y'all can focus. There you go. That's the charging port for the clipper. Here's the USB side, so you can plug it into a USB or plug it into a brick that has a USB on it. And then we also get some oil, a little brush that I think I left at the barbershop, and we get some of the guards. You know, these are the pissed off barber guards. I'm gonna show y'all once again. I've showed y'all in my previous videos, but if y'all ain't looked at those, y'all go check that out right now. But nonetheless, man, here is the guards. Here is the 0.5, and here is the 1.5 TPOB guard that comes in the pissed off barber troll clipper. But yeah, man, y'all know what it is. Once again, here is the TPOB Troll J Blends edition. And you know how your boy does it, man. I do got some clips of me using this clipper, so let's go ahead and roll them clips. All right, man, we're gonna take these TPOB Trolls, the J Blends edition. We're gonna go ahead and debulk my man's hair right here. We're just gonna be doing a taper on the side. I'm knocking down the sides with a number 4 guard first. Yeah, I still got someone messaging me right now trying to come in today. He's like, what time can you give me? I'm like, man, what time do you need? Like,
yeah, that's what my problem is. I never really know what time I can leave.
yeah. All right, now your boy's coming right under that with my number 3 guard. But as y'all can see, man, this troll clipper is doing what it's supposed to do. You know, it's performing just like the original troll. So if you like the original troll, you'll like this one also. We're gonna go ahead and take that number 1 guard, take the beard down. All right, now we're just gonna go ahead and blend in this taper. Set in my first guideline with my clipper open, blend that out. I'm gonna go on my 1 guard now. Set in my next section and then blend this section out also. There's my 2 guard open. But as y'all can see, man, clipper working good, doing what it came here to do. You know, I ain't got no complaints with the clipper. Shout out to TPOB and my boy J Blends. But like I was saying, as y'all can see, man, the clipper's working good, blending well. We got a nice click lever on there. Y'all know what it is. All right, guys, so once again, here is the clipper. As y'all can see, all gray. We got the TPOB branding in front. We got the fade blade, the DLC fade blade, J Blend signature on it, a gunmetal, smoke gray, whatever you want to call it. I'm liking the color scheme of it. Like the color, you know, I like my tools to be black, but gray works good too. You know what I'm saying? Gray is it's like black's brother. You know what I'm saying? So I'm really rocking with this gray and black clipper. I like the way it looks, man. It looks nice. It's been working well for me. You know, I've been using it. As y'all seen in the video, it was working really well, and I've been using it on other cuts, not just the cuts that y'all saw in the video. And I do gotta say that it does perform good. I really had no issues with performance. When it came down to debulking, as y'all seen in the video, it did debulk well. Didn't have to go over the head too many times to get the hair all down to that length. It did fade well, and I think that's because, you know, your boy is a clipper guru, but no, it did fade well, and I feel that it fade well because I like fade blades. I tend to favor fade blades more, so the fact that it came with a fade blade, to me, it just makes it better in my opinion. I do like the click lever on it. You know, I love when clippers come with the click lever, and I know the click levers aren't needed. I know some people don't like them, but I like them because it always lets me know exactly where I'm at when I'm cutting. If I want to be halfway, I know it's just 2 notches and boom, I'm halfway. You know, 2 more notches and I'm closed all the way, or 2 more notches the opposite way and I'm open all the way. So me personally, that's why I like click levers. It just helps me know exactly where I'm at when I'm cutting. And like I said earlier in the video, we do have these grooves in the back. Makes it feel very ergonomic, makes it fit in your hand nicely. Not an issue when it comes to the weight and the weight distribution of this clipper. I enjoyed using it. I think it's a good clipper. And once again, man, I want to say shout out to my boy J Blends. So I believe that you'll be able to find these on Amazon and at thepissedoffbarber.com. I'm not 100% sure what the price is. Jay said he thinks the price is going to be $89.99. Once again, we're not 100% sure on that, but if it's something different, I'll make sure to let y'all know. But as of right now, I think the price is going to be $89.99. And just so y'all know, this clipper hasn't dropped yet. It will be dropping later this month. So maybe by the time this video is up, it will be out, or it might not be, but I'll let y'all know, you know what I'm saying? And y'all just stay tuned. If you are interested in copping this clipper to support the Pissed Off Barber and J Blends, then, you know what I'm saying, you may have to go to thepissedoffbarber.com or amazon.com to purchase it. And with that being said, man, yeah, that's what I think about this clipper. All in all, man, dope clipper. I enjoyed using it. I think I like it more because it's, you know, it's my boy J Blends edition of the clipper. So, you know, I may be a little biased, but shout out to my boy J Blends once again, man. Like, I'm just super excited for him to have his own clipper. And I think that is dope that he has his own name on the clipper now. So once again, man, shout out to J Blends, man. We salute you over here, man. Keep killing the game, bro. But yeah, man, that's basically all I wanted to say about this clipper in this video. If y'all like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.